Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, what is the smallest whole number greater than 960 that can be expressed as a power? So, next whole number greater than 960 is 961. And that 961 can be expressed as 31 into 31, that is 31 square. Hence, 961 is the smallest whole number greater than 960. So our correct option is option A, which is 961.